welcome inside one of the most fascinating food production facilities in the world. Today, we're taking you on a full behind-the-scenes tour of a modern noodle factory. But not just any noodle factory. This one is doing something completely different. Something that food scientists and nutrition experts have been calling the next big revolution in sustainable eating. We're talking about instant noodles made from mealworms. Now, before you click away, hear us out. Because what happens inside this factory is actually incredible. The technology, the process, the science behind it, it's cleaner, more efficient, and more nutritious than most of what's sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now. From the moment the mealworms enter this facility to the second that noodle block gets sealed into its iconic packaging, every single step is controlled, precise, and surprisingly beautiful to watch. In this video, you're going to see the full process, start to finish, nothing skipped. And trust us, by the end, your entire perspective on what instant noodles really means is going to change. So stay with us. This is one you don't want to miss. And hey, if you find this as mind-blowing as we do, drop a comment below. Tell us, would you try
The segmentation is
mealworm
clear,
noodles?
adjusting for finer
We're reading
detail.
every single reply.
No abnormalities
Let's
detected.
go.
Proceeding to the next sample.
All right, let's get into the heart of this process. Once the mealworms arrive at the facility, they go through a strict quality control and cleaning phase. Only the highest grade larvae make it through. No shortcuts, no compromises. They are then dried at carefully controlled temperatures, which removes moisture while locking in the protein level. And the protein levels here, up to 60%. That's nearly 3 times what you'd find in a traditional wheat-based noodle. After drying, the mealworms are milled into a fine powder. This flour is then blended with other natural ingredients, starches, binding agents, and flavor components, all measured with precision by automated systems running 24 hours a day. The dough is then extruded through custom-designed dies that shape it into the exact noodle texture you'd recognize. Thin, wavy, consistent. The noodles then go through a rapid steam cooking process, followed by a high-temperature frying or air-drying phase, depending on the product line. What comes out is structurally identical to a conventional instant noodle. Same texture, same cook time, but nutritionally in a completely different league. The flavor packets are produced separately and added at the final packaging stage, where automated arms seal everything under hygienic, controlled conditions. The entire journey from raw mealworm to finished product takes just a matter of hours. That's the power of modern food engineering.
Uniformity looks good. Verifying width. 2.0 millimeters, within spec.
Steam pressure holding steady at 2.5 bar. Temperature is optimal at 100 degrees Celsius. Bell speed is consistent at 8 meters per minute. Cook time remaining is 2 minutes 15 seconds. Inserting probe for moisture check. Reading is 8.1%. Target met.
And there you have it, the full story of how a modern mealworm noodle factory operates from the inside out. What started as something that might have made you raise an eyebrow, hopefully now makes you think differently. Because this isn't just a quirky food trend. This is where food technology is genuinely heading. Sustainable, protein-rich, scalable, and frankly, impressive as an engineering achievement. The world needs smarter food solutions, and facilities like this one are already quietly building that future, one noodle block at a time. Now we want to hear from you. Would you eat mealworm instant noodles? Are you already on board? Or does the idea still make you hesitate? Drop your honest answer in the comments. Seriously, no judgment. We love hearing all sides. If you learned something new today, or if this video genuinely surprised you, please hit that like button. It helps more people discover content like this, and it means the world to us. And if you want to keep going deeper into the world of modern food manufacturing, factory processes, and the future of what we eat, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. We've got a lot more inside access coming your way. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next one.